How to withdraw money from Stake to Coinbase. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact transfer process and you make sure that hit the like and subscribe button. Step 1. Log into your stake.com account. Step 2. Go to your wallet and then select the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. And then step 3. Click the withdraw button. Step 4. Open your Coinbase app and go to the receive and then copy the wallet address for the same crypto that you're withdrawing. For example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 5. Paste the address that you copied into the stake withdrawal form. Step 6. Choose the amount to withdraw and confirm the network such as ERC20 or BEP20 and double check all the details. Step 7. Click confirm and complete any 2FA authentication if enabled. Step 8. Wait for the blockchain confirmation. And once complete, your funds will show in your Coinbase wallet. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.